button, and it's going to bring the screen up. We go to Other Services. This is District 11, County of Allegheny. And then you have your PO project. There's only one for this, so you only got one choice. Cost function, you're going to scroll down till you see the litter pickup debris removal. So you make sure you've picked the right day and the correct time that you started. You hit done. Same day, same thing here. You pick the correct day. And you got the time that you ended. If you take a lunch, you put that here. Or if no lunch, you put that. RMS locations are required. So you hit yes. You're doing state routes for the litter. This one, he did 79. Began at 5:35. Ended at 5:25. And this one, he wrote on there it's going to be the left side. And that's all there is there. Contractor's cost, is this end of an end result contract? It's no. So you have to know how many men were in the crew that day. This particular one had 6 people total. So you take the first line and you take only 5 of the 6 times your 8-hour day. 42, right? No, 40.
Mm-hmm.
Is it 42?
8 times 5 is 40.
40. What the hell am I doing? Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Unit is hour.
Okay.
And then you hit the plus sign up here and you're going to add your shadow vehicle. That's going to be 1 8-hour person. So that totals up to your 6 people. Comments. First one you're going to put is your truck numbers that you're using. And this one is 8540 and 7540. Next comment, you're going to write the names of every crew member. This takes a few minutes, but the reason we do this is so then they know how many people were on the crew that we've billed the correct hours. Oops. Christian. Excuse me while I write all these out. I got Oscar Peralta. And that's all the people that were on the crew that day. And then you hit done. This particular one went to the dump. So you're going to put another note. Took trash to dump. Boyd's receipt is attached. So now we're going to go to the files. This is where we attach all the receipts, pictures of the trash if you have any, and your GPS. So we're going to go to the mail because this is where I receive the pictures. And this is Luis. This is his picture of that. So we hit these three dots and we're going to share. And it's going to go to the M-609. Hit the plus button up here, attach a file, and that Boyd's receipt is right there. Then you hit import, and then you're going to write on here the date, 3/30, Boyd's. Oops. When that little arrow turns to a green check mark, you know it's uploaded. Now we're going to go to Safari, and we're going to go to GPS tracking. I've already started this with another 609 that I have completed, so I already have the date here. So you're going to click on your vehicle, which was 8540. And then you hit this one right here. We want to make sure it's on extended report, your dates are correct, and then you hit submit. When it does that, you have to wait right here. It says, please wait while loading data. So once that's there, we're going to hit the CSV and download it. When you're choosing your truck up here, it may take a few minutes for all of the vehicles to load before you can pick yours. So you have to wait or else it's going to just give you an error. So now we're going to hit CSV, download. When this up here is gone, it's downloaded. So you hit the circle with the down arrow. And it's going to be the one on top. So you hit the square with the arrow up, scroll across, hit your 609, the plus sign, attach a file, and it's right there. So again, we're going to put the date, and we're going to write truck number 8540. We have no pictures of trash for this day, otherwise they would be uploaded there too. So this is what the complete 609 looks like. So now we're going to hit this little PDF sign up here. Then we hit the square with the arrow up, and we're going to save it to our files. Down here, you're going to write, this is 330, 609, and this is Luis. And then you just hit save up here. So you're going to hit this square with the arrow on it one more time, and you're going to hit Outlook. And this is going to be emailing it to the office. So it's PennDOT@chase-us. It should be right on your iPad. Subject is going to be 609 because that's the name of the form you just filled out. And then you put your name on there. If I could get to it. Oops. And then you hit this arrow right here, and it sends it to the office. Now you hit done. Now we're going to send it to PennDOT. So you hit submit, hit these two, and hit submit. PennDOT has it. Now it's going to show up in your pending. Once it's approved, it will go over here. If it should be rejected, it will be in here. Now we're going to go back to Safari. X this out. We're going to go to the Chase portal. we're going to go to PennDOT Forms. We're going to upload a 609 PDF. Choose a file, and this is the one that you just saved. So you're going to hit that so it shows up there. District 11, county is Allegheny. You hit your truck, and unfortunately there's no way to choose this, so you got to scroll. $8,540. Change the date, and then submit. That sends it to the Chase portal. After that, you're done. That's a lot.